Hi everyone, this is Albert, your buddy in searching for a property. If you are looking for a property dito sa Tagaytay, meron ako sa inyong i-offer. This is a project of Avida Land, the Serene Terraces Tagaytay. Ang in-offer natin dito is a townhouse project na merong 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 carport, service area, plus merong balcony. This is a fully finished na unit. And meron pa tayo ditong 2 amenities. Complete ang amenities. Merong swimming pool, may active court, may paw park, and merong kids playground. So nakikita ninyo at may back, nandito po yung itatayong amenities. And nandito naman sa kaliwa natin sa likuran ang magiging main entrance. Located po ito sa may Bonifacio Drive, Silang, Cavite. This is just 5 minutes away sa Tagaytay Rotonda and 3 minutes away sa Ayala Mall, Serene. And nakikita nyo ngayon sa likuran ko ang ongoing na land development. This is only a 3.8 hectares na project. And ano nga ba yung itsura ng bahay na i-offer natin dito? Tara, i-check natin.
And here is our offering. This is a modern contemporary na townhouse. And kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo, that is the deliverable one upon the turnover of your unit. You can fit 1 to 2 cars, and kung end unit ang kukunin ninyo, sa gilid ng inyong bahay, you have additional space. Meron din po kayo dyang sliding door going to your dining area. And you have 2 meters rear setback. Meron din po kayo dyan saksakan for your washing machine. And for additional security, sa ating garage, meron po tayo ditong smart CCTV. Plus, naka-PVC ceiling panel na rin po tayo. Very modern. Sa ating main door, naka-smart door lock na po siya. And ang ating flooring ay may 60 by 60 na porcelain tiles. And ito naman po, yung ating sliding door. And take note po, naka-smart switches and outlets na rin po tayo dito sa ating bahay. Kaya very modern and pwede nyo pong i-connect sa inyong mga cellphones. Ito po yung ating service area. And sa gilid po, nandiyan naman po yung ating kitchen and sink na may modular cabinets, na soft close, and may grease trap na rin po. Plus, naka-GFCI pa po kayo na outlet, kaya automatic na magsha-shutdown kapag ka po nabasa. Additional safety ng ating family. And here is our first toilet and bath. From floor to ceiling po ang ating ceramic na tile sa bath area. And sa ating mga fixtures, these are all American standard, kaya very durable. Sa ilalim ng ating hagdan, meron tayo ditong additional na storage. And dito po yung ating hagdanan going to second floor. Pag-akyat ng second floor, napakaluwag ng ating hallway. And ito naman po yung ating first bedroom. Meron tayong 2 awning type na windows. And kasya po dito ang queen size na bed. Meron na rin po tayo ditong smart switches and outlets. And let's go to our second bedroom. Sa ating second bedroom, same rin po ng ating first bedroom. Meron po tayo ditong 4 awning type na windows and naka-smart outlets and switches na rin po tayo, plus kasya po ang queen size na bed. Sa gilid po, nandyan naman po ang ating second toilet and bath, nakapares po ang finishes and the fixtures sa ating first toilet and bath. And here is our master's bedroom na napakalaki. Kasya po dyan ang ating king size na bed. And meron po tayo ditong 3 awning type na windows sa harapan. And ang kinagandahan pa po ay may sariling toilet and bath ang ating master's bedroom. Same din po yung finishes nito katulad po sa naunang 2 toilet and bath. Very modern ang finishes and napakaganda ng fixtures. And let's go to our balcony. Ayun ang kinagandahan dito sa ating townhouse. For you to feel the cool breeze weather ng Tagaytay, maganda na meron po tayong balcony.
And ayun guys, pasok ba sa consideration ninyo? If your answer is yes, ano pang inaantay mo? Send me a message and mag-tripping na tayo soon for you to appreciate the beauty of Avida Serene Terraces Tagaytay. Again, this is Albert, your buddy in searching for a property. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.